Hi everyone! For today's video I'm in Chinese store near our house, guys. As you can see, there are a lots of noodles here in the Chinese store, guys. There's a spicy, mild, and not spicy. Here you can choose what kind of noodles you're going to buy, guys. But this one is my favorite. This is Jin Ramen for only 95 cents, guys. Look at that. Wow. This is a huge store, guys. Chinese store. You can see a lot of things you want to buy, especially the noodle section. Oh, there's a lot. Look at that, guys. There's a kimchi ramen also, but I don't like to try that one. But this one is one of my favorite also, Daime ramen spicy. As you know, guys, I love spicy foods. I love spicy noodles also. There's a lot. There's a noodles that is in cup also over there on the top. Ayan, guys. And then there's a lot of bulldog, different kinds of flavor. The yellow one, the pink one, and the purple. And I've tried also this one, guys, but it's very spicy for me. I like spicy, but it's more spicy that one. Bye everyone. I take